Got wet and windy conditions to clear Scotland today, but for most of us, it's going to be a day of sunshine and a few showers, and not as windy as yesterday. I'll have all the details coming up. Both, good morning to you too. It's not a particularly cold start to the day for most of us today, but we still have the low pressure that brought the rain yesterday moving across Scotland doing the same thing. Now the winds generally will be lighter, so it will feel a little bit warmer. This is the low pressure. You can see the showers wrapped around it, pushing northwards. Strongest winds at the moment across the northwest of Scotland, but it will brighten up across southern Scotland. And for Northern Ireland, England and Wales, it's a day of sunny spells and also a few showers. Lighter winds, as I mentioned, making it feel quite pleasant in the south. Temperatures up to 18 in London, but if you're in the cloud and the showers in the north and also the wind, it will feel that bit cooler. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, we'll have some clear skies, variable amounts of cloud, the cloud building in the west as the next area of low pressure arrives, bringing in its cloud, rain and strengthening winds. Temperatures tonight under the clear skies could well fall below freezing across parts of northern Scotland, so we could see a touch of frost here, but not so elsewhere. So as we head on through Good Friday, we've got this low pressure in the southwest. It pivots, taking its rain across Northern Ireland, and eventually it will start to move away. But we also have a ridge of high pressure building in. So here's the cloud, the rain and the windy conditions across southwest England, parts of Wales, Isle of Man and into Northern Ireland. The cloud building in the west through the day, the brightest skies will be across parts of East Anglia and the southeast. Temperatures 9 to about 18 or 19 degrees. Picking up that same area of low pressure, you can see how it does start to pull away during the course of Saturday towards the southwest. That ridge of high pressure I was talking about builds in, so things fairly settled for many of us. The showers in the south pulling away as the low pressure does, and the rain moving away too from Northern Ireland. So a fairly cloudy day with some brighter breaks across some southern areas, and these are our temperatures, 9 to 14 degrees north to south. On Easter Sunday, it will be mostly dry with sunny spells, but we will see some rain and some showers, but dry weather in between on Easter Monday. Now again, Charlie.
Thanks very much.
Mix, Charlie. Good morning, everyone. If you have an allergy to tree pollen, worth mentioning, the levels today across England and Wales are high or very high away from the northwest, and especially ash and birch. Now, yesterday's low pressure produced a lot of rain, and it's continuing to drift across Scotland, the rain turning more showery through the day. It will brighten up from the south, but even so, here we could see some sharp showers. And for Northern Ireland, England and Wales, well, it's a day of light winds, also some blue skies, some sunny spells and just a few showers. And in those light winds, it will feel quite pleasant with highs up to 18 degrees, but feeling cooler in the north where we've got the cloud and the showers. Now through this evening and overnight, most of the showers will fade. There'll be some clear skies. Then our next low pressure comes up from the southwest, introducing thicker cloud, stronger winds and some rain. So where we've got this, it's not going to be a cold night, but where the cloud remains broken in the north, temperatures could fall sub-zero, meaning we could see a patchy frost in northern Scotland. So for Good Friday, we've got this low pressure still very much with us, still bringing wet and windy conditions to western areas. And you can see that just by looking at the isobars, which are close together. Also, the cloud will build through the day in the west. The best of the brightness tomorrow is likely to be, by the time we get to the end of the day, across East Anglia and also into the southeast. That rain getting into southwest England, Wales, the Isle of Man, southern Scotland and also Northern Ireland. Temperatures 9 to about 18 degrees. For Saturday, we still have the low pressure with us, but it's starting to retreat back towards the Atlantic. That's allowing this ridge of high pressure to build in, which will settle things down. So we start off with the rain across Northern Ireland pushing away, the showers across the south of England doing the same thing, getting into the Channel Islands and moving away. Quite a lot of cloud. The cloud will break across parts of Wales, the Midlands, in towards East Anglia and the south of England. And here we're expecting to see some sunshine. Temperatures 9 to 15 degrees, so slipping a little bit. Then for Easter Sunday itself, well, it's going to be mostly dry. There will be sunny spells, quite a bit of cloud at times coming in from the east and also the south, and still some patchy rain and gusty winds affecting the Outer Hebrides at times. Temperature-wise, 7 to about 16 degrees. Quick look at what's happening on Easter Monday. We'll have some rain in the west. That's going to turn more showery. For most, it'll be dry, with showers getting into the east later on. Then beyond that, it's changeable once again. Charlie and Naga.
Thank you very much, Carol.